about to be time to eat in a minute. Stuffed seafood, salmon, and biscuits. Oh yeah. And a lot of more other stuff. See y'all soon, fam.
Couple M's with my best friends. Turned on my L's and the lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dreams pulling up, I'm like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm dressed.
What up, fam, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Deb and Jazz in the bedroom editing the video. Now, before I get into this cooking video and let you know when I'm finna cook, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to be notified, because that bell ain't ringing and your phone won't be singing. So if you don't see the parentheses on the outside of that bell, then that means you've done something wrong. You won't be notified when we drop these videos. So let's get into this cooking video, shall we, fam? Today we are having stuffed salmon, rice, parboiled rice at that. We finna have us some JimNNicks style muffins. Man, it's just finna be a wonderful spread. This is gonna be stuffed seafood salmon. Y'all see that? Now, before we get into anything else, y'all know rice take the longest while to cook. So we're gonna go ahead and add our rice. Stir it up. And then once that boy come back to a rolling boil, we're gonna put the lid on and let that do what it's gonna do. Now we're gonna get on over here. Drop our 2 tablespoons of butter on in our saute pan so we can get this shrimp on and popping. You know what I'm talking about, fam? Rice has come to a boil, so we're gonna cover that. Drop that down to, you guessed it, fam, 1.5. Now, what you gotta remember, fam, this seafood is gonna be cooking in the oven when we put our salmon in, so you only have to pan sear. You do not have to cook it all the way. Back to the good stuff. Y'all can see scallops and shrimp we got sauteing in our here pan. We almost there, fam. Well, fam, we have done our initial job. Alright, we're gonna saute our bell peppers. Man, bam. Get all that nice seasoning. Soak it up. Soak it on up. Soak it on up. Now while we're doing that, we finna be smart about it. Let's let that cook. Fine. They done. Ooh, snap, fam. Look at us. Fam. Now we got the boy seasoned up. We just gotta put our butt on it to seal that flavor in. Now this goes in the oven for 14 minutes rather. And we good to go, fam. Ooh. Well, fam, the hard part is done, and now we just wait because it's about to be time to eat in a minute. Stuffed seafood, salmon, and biscuits. Oh yeah, and a lot of more other stuff. See y'all soon, fam. Add piece to the puzzle. Well, fam, now that all the cooking is done, we are about to embark upon the mukbang for the seafood stuffed salmon, asparagus, JimNNicks recipe biscuits. Oh man, these cheddar biscuits finna be lit, fam. So till we see you again, fam, love you guys from Jazz and I both, and we gonna see you in this mukbang. Don't forget, share, because sharing is caring, fam.